I've fallen in love, and it's with this. It's the Diesel On Full Guard 2.5. It's the second Diesel WearOS smartwatch, and the 2.5 comes not because Diesel has gone mad and fitted a 2.5-inch screen to its watch. The 2.5 is reference to how awesome Diesel considers the new On Full Guard smartwatch. In other words, it's way beyond just version 2.0. We're going for 2.5 with this. Justified? Yes, basically yes. The reason, the design is just glorious. If you're a Diesel watch fan, in other words, you like big, bold, ostentatious watches, this is exactly what a Diesel watch should be. Although the case is quite slim, certainly slimmer than the first On Full Guard and many other WearOS smartwatches at the moment, the body is large. This is 46 millimeters, so it is quite big. And when you put it on your wrist, unless your wrists are tiny, it still looks fairly sensible. Diesel have actually told us that, particularly in some regions around the world, regardless of your wrist size, the bigger the watch, the better. And although this is sizable, it's not ridiculous, and particularly not ridiculous by Diesel standards. It actually looks quite sensible there, and that's because it is, particularly because it's slim and it's light. The version we've got here is running an early version of the new WearOS update, and we've got some fantastic news. The crown now works with all of your notifications, all of the interactions. You move it up and down and you scroll through the list. No more of that only using your finger nonsense. You use the crown. This is a huge benefit. We can't overstate just how much that difference that makes to using WearOS on a daily basis. A really big benefit. And you're going to see that on a lot of different new smartwatches from the Fossil brand. You've got another 2 buttons either side, one for Google Fit and the other one for your music player. WearOS, as an update, has a new drop-down quick access menu, and you scroll up for all of your notifications and you pull in from the side to get a new screen that shows you all your Google Assistant alerts and information. It's considerably better than it was before. So back to the Diesel watch. There's a 1.39-inch screen on the front with a 454 by 454 pixel resolution. Inside it's a Snapdragon Wear 2100, which is a bit of a shame, but it actually feels fairly sprightly on here, particularly with this new version of WearOS. But what we really love is the design. You've got this textured edge around the bezel here. You've got wonderfully machined buttons in this eye-catching red, and the same around the case itself here. This is a silicone strap, new for the brand. You've got a heart rate sensor on the rear, and again this lovely red accent. If you don't like the silicone strap, which incidentally is very comfortable, you can choose different versions. We've got a version here with the gunmetal case and a black leather strap, very comfortable again. The design of the watch is identical, but the colours of course are different. So you've got black matched with the stainless steel case, and then finally we've got this version here. This has got the metal link strap in a very muted gunmetal here. It looks fantastic, but incredibly masculine. Even if you're tempted by the red version, then this is probably way over the top, but we absolutely love it. It's a fantastic looking smartwatch. So going back to the version which we probably think is the one we'll recommend you buy, it's this red and black version. This is going to come out in the next few months, and we're loath to take it off our wrist. We love it so much. Diesel knows what it's doing with watches, and we're so pleased to see that it's doing the same things with its smartwatches. People who like Diesel like this design. I like the design a great deal. I like the watches too, and it's fantastic to see those wonderful design elements from the traditional watches filter through to the Android Wear smartwatches. So this is the Diesel on full guard 2.5. 2.5 because it's awesome, and we fully agree.